Welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to leave a group in your Facebook account through mobile apps. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be had a Facebook account and you might notice that many of person added you in different group and you would like to leave from that group from your mobile apps. In order to do that, you need to open your Facebook apps and then you're going to see a screen appear just like this. In the upper side there is a profile icon which looks like this. So simply click over there. After that is going to be appear just like this. Scroll down and then you're going to find here something say groups. You need to click over groups. After click over groups, you're going to see a screen appear just like this. Here you're going to see your group. So you have to click upper side, there's your groups. Simply click over there and then you're going to see all your groups available in you are inside that group member. If you decide to leave any group, for example I would like to leave from this group. In order to do that, you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to click this upper side, this three line, and then after click over there, we're going to see a screen appear just like this. From here, you're going to see something say leave group. So you're going to click here leave group and then you're going to see a pop-up or confirm messages appear. If you decide to cancel, you can click here cancel, or if you decide to leave group, just click here leave group and that's going to be a leave group. Now it's saying to do you want to report like spam or harmful or etc. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click here close. So within this way you can easily leave from different group if you are admin or if somebody added you in that group, or if you honor any group and if you decide to leave from that group, you have to remove all the member and then later on if there is no member no more, then you can remove from that particular group. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.